Hi, this is Mike Baker. I wanted to show you one of the new Tableau 10 features, which is the cross-database filters. This little feature allows us to quickly filter across related databases based on a common dimension. So to demonstrate this, I've just created a small little workbook here where we've got the world indicators, so the sample dataset that comes with Tableau, and the world crime stats, which I just pulled off Wikipedia. You can see that the world crime stats already has a relationship with the world indicators based on the country here. And this is key to setting up a cross-database filter. You have to have a common dimension that they can filter on. So we've got a simple little chart here with countries populated by population total. And on the other chart, we've got the crime rates by the countries. So I'm just going to go create a dashboard quickly where we assemble both of those views. And just put them on side by side. And to set up a cross-database filter, you just need to go to the filters, so country, and then open up your contextual menu on the filters, and we need to apply this to all using related data sources. Now I must mention that this is only able to be set up once you have a relationship already defined. So if you haven't got a relationship defined in your different data sets, you're going to have to do that in the data menu, edit relationships, and you can see there's my relationship already set up by a country. It is also worth mentioning that depending on which one of the datasets is acting as the primary dataset to filter on, that will be the determining dataset which determines which members of the dimension are actually in the overall dataset. So in other words, if there's a country that is evident in my second dataset, and I'm trying to think of one off the top of my head, but if there's a country in this data set that doesn't belong in sheet 1 in the world indicators data set, and I'm using this one to drive the filter, it's obviously going to filter out that country. That country won't be represented in either data sets. It will be taken out of the second data set because it doesn't exist in the first data set, which is what I'm using to build the filter list. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for Tableau.